morning. Today is Sunday. What is today?
I don't know.
Today is Sunday, the 25th. So it's supposed to be the day of the big snowstorm. We are going to be inside all day, but we are prepared. We have charged all the tablets, all the flashlights, got batteries, we got firewood, we got a tomahawk steak. We're planning on cooking tonight or sometime today in the storm. The fork, is it good? The forecast said we're supposed to get between, what was it? 18 to 24 inches. I'm gonna screenshot the forecast in there and send it or post it in there. I don't know if it's gonna be that bad. I'm not sure. We'll find out. But right now, sorry. Ooh, it's because it's so cold. This is what we're working with right now. We woke up at 7:30 and it was already snowing. It's supposed to snow all day tomorrow. All day today. And I'll just keep y'all posted. I'll come out and take a peek here and there. It's starting to pick up actually, but you can see our cars down there. All right, what time is it?
It is 8:22.
So it's 8:22. I'll check back in an hour. All right, so I'm trying to get Honey to go to the bathroom. She came outside and stood there, so I'm gonna go try to find her leash. I think it's in my car, so I'm gonna go check. In the back? And I just fell down these stairs, so let me pay attention to what I am doing. Okay. All the stairs. Made it downstairs. Woo! The snow ain't playing. They said we were supposed to accumulate 3 inches an hour, so we'll actually see what we get. How you open this trunk? Her leash is not back here. Her leash is not back here. But not. Look at these shoes I bought. Aren't these cute? They are.
That's not.
You ever try to open the garage and check? Hold this. It's on here.
Now it's on you. Can you start your car?
Yeah, because last night or yesterday we tried to start it. It was like iffy.
Yeah, I mean we got the battery charger thing. The jump started.
Is it open?
No. Now, nope. There you go. I'm turning around because y'all need to be seeing our garage. You know, it's a garage. It's messy. Not gonna lie.
Did you check her bed?
Yeah, I did. Oh wait, is that it right there? No, it's not.
Oh, I thought these things back on.
Oh no.
What's it on?
What's what on?
The camera.
Front face?
Oh, you can turn it on.
All right, we finally found the dog leash. And trying to get her to use the bathroom. It's cold. We know. Careful. I tried to turn your car off, but you got the keys.
Take 2. Trying to get her to use the bathroom. Come on. If you think you can
Come on.
It is 10 o'clock exactly, so we're gonna go check on the weather and see how it's looking. I'm going through the back door this time because that side door is loud. Okay. Oh my goodness, it's cold out here. The temperature is 5 degrees, but it feels like -6. Can y'all see? You can see how fast it's falling right now. They said, like I said, they claim 3 inches an hour, but right now I don't think we're not at that yet. All right, I'll come back and check in a little bit. So it is freezing, like I said. Just got back inside, put on my heated blanket. Got it for Christmas. So it's so warm. Oh my goodness, it feels so good. I think I'm gonna catch a movie and then I will I guess I'll give you all update as I get them. I'm gonna get my nails done. Kalia is. Are you gonna put stars on them?
Yeah, after this.
After this?
Yeah. Oh, I'm green.
I think you gotta put the stars on them while they're wet, Mama.
What?
You gotta put the stars on them while they're wet, you see? This is what she's going for. You gotta put the stars on them right now.
What?
You gotta put the stars on them right now. Because they're gonna dry and the stars aren't gonna stick. And then the bottle's still leaned over.
I am a moving cactus, which I'm fighting a red cactus.
No speech is too ambitious with teleprompts. The 3D display appears before your eyes.
Hey,
Yes.
I'll pick all the touches and then I'll do.
I'm about to try to take Honey out. Again? Still snowing. So hopefully she just pees and comes right back in. Go. Come pee. Hurry up. Is she gonna pee? Hey, she peed. I'll take the camera off her so she can have some purposes. Alright, what time is it? I think it's like maybe 10. No, it's like 11 something. Is my phone gonna tell me? Hold on. Oh, I'm sorry. Open the door. So.
Walking down.
I'm gonna get a tape measure, a ruler, tape measure, and I'm gonna start marking the snow soon. Yeah. So this is the update. Let me see what time it is. The handle is frozen to our front door. It's 11:33. So that's the update. Sorry, I got snow on my camera. That's why it looks blurry.
That much in this video. I have another video out there today where we really take a look at what's going on there because there's some very interesting things shaping up and the next systems are.
It's 1:30. So I'm gonna just give y'all an update. Snowing. Heavily. You can hear the snowfall.
Yes, you can.
Look at the trampoline. Let me see. Alright, got the tape measurer. We're gonna see how many inches we got so far. It's 140. So we'll see. Here. I wish we didn't step out here. Woo! I think right here is untapped. Okay, we're over 6 already.
Oh yeah, that's okay.
Let's just move it to 10. I don't think we're at 10 yet.
We're at 7. 7 inches?
Okay, right now we're at 7 inches. We'll come back out and check in about another 2-3 hours. Same spot. Or somewhere around there. What time is it, babe?
221.
It's 2:21. So this is what we're working with. This is a freight yard.
Should zoom out.
Zoom out. It's cold out there.
Yes, it is.
Okay. You can barely see the hump from the sidewalk.
That's clean.
Okay. And stay on the inside. This is up to date. Just walk behind this plant. Yeah. What time is it?
It is 3 o'clock.
It's 3 o'clock. We probably at... I don't know how many inches of snow we're at right now. Oop, sliding. There's a whole water right here. You think it's over a foot? Yeah. Well, that's also piled up with like the 6 inches, 7 inches we got the other day.
Yeah.
I wonder what that third hump is right there.
This one?
No, this one back here.
That one?
Yeah.
That bucket full of rocks?
What bucket full of rocks?
That little pot that's full of like...
That's what that is?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Look at the trampoline. Get on and do a flip. You got the good boots on for it.
Yeah, no.
Why not?
Huh?
You got the good boots on.
Yeah, I feel like that trampoline will break. Fall right through.
I feel like my boots are not high enough to get in there.
That's why I put these ones on.
Just to update, we're at 11 inches right now. It's like 5. What time is it, Zion?
I don't know.
It's 4:10 actually.
Mommy!
16.
Daddy, can I have it?
No. It's 5:04. It's still snowing outside, but we are about to cook dinner, which is just one giant tomahawk. And that's gonna be dinner. I'm not cooking any sides. You want sides, babe?
Nope, I'm good.
And then here's an update. The snow is officially taller than the entrance to our house. Last time we looked, it was at 11 inches, and that was at 4:10. So I'll look at 6:10 and see where we at. Whew. Update. We outside cooking. The snow is still falling down. Can't see it until I flash the light. Steak looks good. And the kid. Alright, so it is 6:16. This is gonna be our final update of the night because it's dark outside. I'm just gonna see how many feet we're at, or how many inches we're at. You say you put it at what?
Nope, nothing. You're good.
Oh. We're at about 13 inches. I don't know if you can see that.
Okay, yep, it's cool.
So we're at 13 inches as of the last measurement of tonight. It's supposed to snow till what time in the afternoon tomorrow?
I think 5.
Till like 5 o'clock in the afternoon tomorrow. So we will keep you guys updated. Good night.